Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is how to start a Turo business. There's many different ways. You can start as a sole proprietor, like actually as a business entity, but that's not registered with your state. Or you can start as an LLC, a limited liability corporation. Start as a corporation. You can start with your own. With your own social security number as a person. So you can start as your own person, or you can start as a sole proprietor, which is different. It's an entity that's not an LLC or corporation, but you're running it as a business, get its own EIN number, for example, and run as a sole proprietor. You can do it that way. There's many different structures you can actually select. What I would highly recommend, if you do have a CPA or tax person or someone who's tax savvy, run by them and see what way is most beneficial to you, and select that. And if you don't know, then what you need to do, you need to put some sweat equity and do some due diligence and figure out what way can you win. In my personal opinion, this is my personal opinion, I'm not your tax person. If you want to do Turo and you don't have an LLC or corporation, that is fine. But consider this and consider this well. Then you'll have to use your social security number. What I would recommend is maybe possibly considering doing it as a sole proprietorship at least. The reason this is different: if you register as a sole proprietorship, get its own EIN, employer identification number, for free from the IRS, you can start building business credit. With your personal social security number, you can't build business credit with it. Unfortunately, you can't. You can build your personal credit, but you can't. If you actually have income coming in, paying taxes on an EIN number, and earning income with Turo with an EIN number, you use that to build business credit, get business credit cards, you start building. So that's just a tip that might help you. Anyways, do your own due diligence. Again, those who litigate me, like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram currently if you found value. Currently, now.